I have not been this excited for talking about a new trading bot on this channel since Axiom first came around, because Padre.gg might be the next Axiom. I've been trying out this platform for a couple of days now, and honestly it's just as good, if not better, than Axiom, and might very well become the biggest trading bot. They have some really cool features that I haven't seen on any other trading bots. They have the highest cashback of any trading platform, and it has one of the best user experiences, and it's just one of the fastest bots on the market right now. So here it is, Padre app. This is what their platform looks like. I'm going to show you everything you need to know and why it's so good. And right here on Dune, you can kind of see the growth it's had over the last 2-3 months. Since March right here, it has absolutely exploded in popularity for a very good reason. And it's now actually bigger than the likes of Bullish and GMGN and pretty big and established trading bots like those. And they've been coming out with some massive upgrades and updates to the platform. Like for example, just a few days ago, they added top Discord group calls marked on chart, which I highly benefited from yesterday when I tried making some trades. I ended up making a pretty profitable trade on this nature jab token. So I entered down here at 44k, ended up getting out at like 79k approximately, for basically almost a 2x or 73% gain. Pretty decent. Also, I love these PNL cards as well, but they have these icons popping up because when I was looking into this token, it was before it migrated and everything around these levels, and I saw that this icon popped up which says mentioned in Potion. This was when it was still at like 40 something K market cap. Potion is one of the biggest crypto alpha groups ran by Orangi and those people, and when you see a small token being called in these massive alpha groups, you just know that hundreds of people will see that and loads of money will probably flow into the token. So I saw that it was mentioned in the technical alpha group, and then in Potion, and then over here in Prosperity. And this token ended up doing really well. I think it went to like 250k market cap at the highest, so could have made more money, but still pretty happy with it. Another really cool feature is that it shows this line of average top 10 holders entry, and this moves real time. So early on in the token, this will fluctuate a lot and show you exactly where the average entry for the top 10 holders is. And if this keeps going up as the token pumps, it means that the top 10 holders most likely are buying more of the token, which is a great sign. So that's just another really cool addition to this platform that I haven't seen on most other platforms. And this is obviously the main trading page. You have instant trades right here with your presets and your amounts right here. You have trades, holders, orders, top traders, etc. On top traders, you can go into any of these wallets, see PNL, etc. You have the token information on the right hand side, and it's also super customizable. If we head over to settings, first of all the color themes are super customizable. You can choose different fonts right here. You also have layout. I have this classic layout, but if you want another bar on the left hand side, for example, like this, you can do that. But I'm going to keep it as classic right now, and you can choose what will show on these different sidebars as well. You then have a lot of different notification settings where you want the notifications, if you want sound or not. You then have some different trading settings. You can also choose all the different colors on the actual chart, on the average fill line, top 10 holders line, etc. And if we head back to the trenches, everything here is also super customizable. You can choose the display, you can choose the metric size and everything like that to basically just customize this platform to your own liking. You obviously have trending tokens right here. You have your portfolio with all of your trades. You have PNL calendar. Now, I did make the mistake of not using a referral link to sign up, and therefore I only get 10% cashback on my fees. But if you do sign up with a referral link, you do get 35% cashback on your fees, which is the highest I've seen on any trading bot on the market. And if you're an active trader, this will become a massive amount that you can claim back and will just save you a lot of fees in the long term. So when you do sign up, make sure you use a referral link. Would highly appreciate it if you used mine down below in the description. Help support the channel and just shows appreciation for my content. But if you don't want to use that one, just make sure you use a referral link so you do get that 35% cashback. Now, another key feature of Padre obviously is that it's compatible with Ethereum, Base, BNB chain, and Solana, all of the biggest meme coin chains, while for example Axiom only works on Solana. And you're starting to see meme coin activity on, for example, Base and BNB chain absolutely explode right now as well. So you do want a platform that is compatible with all of these chains. Now, if you head to automations, they also have a copy trading feature. I might make a separate video on this feature if you're interested in seeing how this performs. And this is just another really cool feature that Axiom does not have. You then have pump fund snipe, so you can set up your own sniper. You have tracker with the wallet manager where you can track wallets and see their live trades, etc. You obviously also have an X or Twitter tracker, but right now it is unavailable because they are upgrading it. You then have your reward section and trenches. And in the trenches, you can obviously filter these tokens to your own liking, so you only get tokens you actually want to trade. But this is super quick, and the overall trading experience on this platform has been amazing. You can obviously move this instant trade around, make it as big as you want to get more trade options. You have this Inferno mode, which just optimizes your gas fees and tips to make sure you get in and out of tokens as quick as possible. And overall, it's just an amazing platform. I will actually be changing from Axiom to Padre now as my main trading platform because of some of these additional features like the Discord calls, average top 10 holder entry, as well as I do want to do more trading on Base and BNB chain, and this allows me to do everything in one single application. And Padre have also optimized their mobile experience, making it really easy and efficient to trade on your phone with the same account. So wherever you are, as long as you have your phone, it's so easy to make trades on Padre. AC basically sums it up really well. I feel like Padre is really underrated at this point. First of all, the fill speed is almost instant, around 300 milliseconds in comparison to Axiom and Photon, which is around 500 milliseconds, meaning you get filled 66% faster on Padre. Second, you also have the Discord alpha group calls that is being added to the charts. You can also track up to 10,000 wallets compared to 500 on Axiom and 100 on Photon. You can hide columns, and Padre has a fully featured mobile app so you can trade from your phone seamlessly. So I really think Padre will take a lot of the market share from Axiom and Photon and all of these other big trading bots in the following months. And it's just been the best trading experience that I have had out of any trading platforms. So I highly recommend you to check it out. I will leave my referral link down below in the description. Make sure you do sign up with a referral link, like I said, to get 35% cashback. And if you want me to make a speed test where I compare Padre to the likes of Axiom, Photon, GMGN, BullX, etc., a complete speed test to see which bot is actually the fastest, do let me know down below in the comment section and I can make that as one of my next videos. Now, if you enjoyed this content, make sure you smash a like and subscribe to the channel. When you do try out Padre, or if you have already tried it out, I'm very curious to hear about your guys' opinions. So do let me know what you think of Padre down below in the comment section, how it compares to other trading bots. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.